Hi everyone, welcome to Rahul and Jayashree Association Company. This is a law firm and even we provide legal education so that we can help you out. So presently our lectures are coming on three series. One is on Indian Constitution and Polity. Second lecture is on Civil Procedure Code we are doing, and third is on Indian National Movement for general studies. Okay. So anybody is preparing for judiciary, UPSC, civil services, banking, any exam, it will help you out. We even provide notes. We even give question tips and question practice for the students in our Telegram group and Facebook group. So if you want to join Telegram and Facebook group, I will provide the link in the description box just below. There is one small arrow, you can go and join so that we can help you out. And if you are enjoying, if you are liking the videos, so subscribe to the channel, as because it is not possible for the people to share who have shared you once. So it is for you. Subscribe and press the bell icon so that video reaches you, and help us in reaching out to those who want this lecture. So please share as much as you can. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying it, share if you are liking it, so that others can benefit. Like, dislike, if you are disliking, let us know. Okay, so today is Saturday and we have lecture on Civil Procedure Code, Revenue Code, Section 5. Okay, so what is Revenue Code? Revenue Code and Civil Code, they are different. So Revenue Code mainly deals with what? Adjudication of disputes. Disputes means what? Problems arising from relating to what? Non-payment of land revenue. Suppose you have given your land on rent and the people are not paying. To whom you have given, they are not paying. Then what will you do? You cannot go to civil court, as because civil court doesn't have jurisdiction to entertain non-payment of revenue, as because there is difference between civil court and revenue court. So I am just explaining revenue court right now. So revenue court, you can go only when there is breach of land revenue. You have given your land on rent, they are not paying the revenue, you can go to revenue court, but not to civil court. I will explain the difference between civil court and revenue court just now. Okay, so peasants dispute, agricultural land, there is a dispute, where they will go? Revenue court. One thing remember, if you don't know the jurisdiction of between revenue court and civil court, if you go to revenue court and file the civil court matter, judge will reject it, and it is disaster for an advocate. It will symbolize that advocate doesn't know where to file the petition. So this cannot be done. So, and sealing of land. Okay, when there is a land sealing, you can go to revenue court if there is any problem. Tenancy is lost between tenants and landlord, any dispute, you can go to revenue court. Agriculture and other disputes also, you can go to revenue court. So basically revenue court is what? It is dealing with the revenue, money, taxation, these all matters. Okay, as because this deals with local laws, state laws. So state government will decide, as because law and order is a state subject. So state government will decide in which matter, in which jurisdiction this revenue cost will appear, and how will they deal it. So they will take out the notification so that they can attend suit, and they doesn't deal with civil court. Civil court concept is completely different. In civil court, what happens? People have to pay the penalty if they are guilty. In criminal court, monetary compensation plus the crime what they have done according to the IPC. Okay, so civil court. So you understood revenue court. Now I am coming to civil court. What is civil court? Civil court generally deals with marriage, divorce matters. Okay, marriage, registry marriages, contract, entertainment between two persons. Okay, land ownership. If you want to register land ownership, then you go to court. This is known as civil court. So if somebody has disobeyed the traffic rules, police will take him to the civil court. So you understood, revenue court mainly deals with revenue matters, and civil court deals with civil crimes which people are committing. So this is a lecture from Civil Procedure Code Section 5. Okay, so this will help law students in their civil procedure code, in their legal practice. It will also help common citizens in their awareness perspective. Okay, so this is our initiative and this is our lecture. So if you are liking it, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can grow together. Description box link, you check it, I will provide everything. Okay, so thank you for watching. And one thing, law lectures will come on English. Previously I was doing in Hindi, but seeing as most students come from NLU's background, so they have problem related to vernacular. So I have decided that law lectures will come on English, and others lectures like general studies, Indian polity and constitution, this will come on Hindi. Okay, so English lectures will come for law subjects, so that it will be easy, as because in many college schools English is a medium, so I don't want to disturb people. Okay, so thank you for watching and listening. Take care. Bye bye.